Welcome to WORxK Global News, your go-to source for insights that shape the modern workforce, spotlight innovation, and elevate today's career conversations. Here's what's making headlines. In career advice, we're digging into a critical topic: how to make career decisions you won't regret. In a time where job hopping, pivots, and burnout are common, this piece walks you through how to align your professional path with your personal values, so you make confident moves that hold up over time. For diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility, the importance of regular DEIA audits explores how companies are using new software tools to track measurable progress, not just talk. With growing expectations for transparency and accountability, this feature offers practical solutions for continuous improvement in inclusive practices. On the global trends and politics front, Mattel pushes back on tariff goals, examines why the toy giant isn't moving its manufacturing back to the U.S., despite policy pressure. The story raises bigger questions about globalization, workforce dynamics, and the future of domestic production. In innovation and technology, AI versus AI. How Doppel is combating fraud with autonomous agents introduces us to a startup using AI to fight AI-generated fraud. With millions of fake profiles and phishing attempts online, this story shows how automation can be both the threat and the solution. From the lens of organizational culture, culture is what you tolerate challenges the idea that perks build strong teams. Instead, it argues that leadership standards, accountability, and values are what truly shape a workplace people want to stay in. And finally, in workforce development, why lifelong learners are winning in the modern job market makes the case for constant growth. With job roles changing rapidly, those who embrace learning, formally or informally, are the ones staying ahead. That's it for today's WORxK Global News highlights. Stay informed, stay inspired, and stay ready to lead with purpose in an ever-changing world of work.